There you go. See, record. Just put that. There you go. And I'll take some pictures. Just checking everything out.
She doesn't have a clue yet.
Well, it's new. Everything's so new. Uh-oh. Look at her run. She's just happy to be running.
Oh yeah, I told you, she's a runner.
That girl, good. Good girl. That's right. There you go. Good girl. Yes. That's
Awesome.
a good dog. Good girl. Yay. There you go.
Nothing is fun. I should be allowed to do. I'm probably going to get in trouble.
Yeah, I remember one time when I was there you go. That's it. Good girl. They all were turning instinctive. So for a couple of
Yeah, it is so hard.
and so they put another dog in there with two dogs that got it instead of
I just told me how they have to learn. She was hoping he was, and she was kind of turned off by Cooper, I think, because it was so much. So tangled up. I can't remember who I trained that way. Who I had to bring in to teach me it was okay to do that. So I brought him in with Peach, who was my did I tell you Peach died?
They just told me a minute ago when you were out there.
Yeah, it's so sad.
There's an out. Good girl.
See, she thought they needed help. Awesome. Yeah, it was sad. But she died at home. I know, I didn't do it.
I know you want.
Yeah.
She done?
Oh yeah. Good girl.
Okay, Carla, how do I turn it off? Carla,
Yes.
how do I turn it off?
I just push that yellow, that silver button. Same way you say, oh, you didn't turn on.